day 3 of Rome. I realized I forgot to do an outro for the last video. I do apologize. I'm up here in a volcano. I'll find out what the name is, guys. I can't remember, but it's really bright here. And look at that. I don't know whether it's sand or what, but it's so white. And you have to kind of squint your eyes. But yeah, I'm here on a tour, and I don't know where the tour is because I got to fly the drone, asked for permission, and she gave me permission to fly it. So I'm here trying to find the tour now. So guys, just discovered that once again, found another gateway to hell. Just like the house and castle video, that was one gateway to hell. This is apparently the second one. So we have 2 gateways to hell on the list. So apparently, guys, this place is called Solfatara. Solfatara is what Nicola's saying, so blame her if it's wrong. So guys, we're in Pompeii at the moment. Just look at this. Kind of crazy being here, to be honest. Okay, so what she was saying was that this whole area here was where the gladiators would train to fight, and all the pillars here would support like a roof that went across the whole way across. So guys, we got a music venue. So guys, you're wondering, this here was a house, because apparently there would be a groove along this space here if it was a shop. So you can tell the difference. Pretty crazy being here, guys. Seen so much, done so much. If you notice on a few of the times there was these stepping stones across the road, that's because those roads weren't actually roads, they were used for drainage, sewerage. So like all the dirt and rubbish would go down, and people would have to like step over those stepping stones to get across. So guys, I've discovered that Pompeii was built on Lego.
There's another one down there.
And there's more. Oh yeah! Guys, we could actually build a house out of these.